What's up everyone, it's Tyler and Gabe from 7 Figure Entrepreneur.
Yeah, we are in San Diego. We just wrapped up TNC.
That's right, it's a good little event.
2019, third year.
Yeah, repeat.
So what do you think of the event?
Yeah, so we actually did the event a little bit differently this year. We'd actually go to the actual, like they have a lot of training series, you can see speakers, you do that whole thing. This year wasn't really about that for us. Right now we're pretty specific. We know where we're going in business, what we want to accomplish. So sometimes a great thing to do is just keep the blinders on and like keep everything away as opposed to what you're focusing on. Because when you see these speakers speak, at least for me, I get that shiny object syndrome, and I'll be like, oh, we should start that and do this and the other thing.
And all the speakers are so good at this event, and they all know their craft so well that it's just like you're so easily swayed, but like in a good way. Like they're 100% legit. Most of the people at this event. But if you do want to do it, I would recommend buy the recordings, because I find if I go to these events, it's like, it's so much information. It's just like my mind's like blown. I'm like, I don't even remember what, like half the stuff's going on.
After the first one, you have all these ideas. By speaker 12, you're like, oh my God.
What am I going to do with my life? I don't know anything. I need to revamp everything. But definitely, if you do it, buy the recordings, sit at home, take notes, figure it out that way, because I feel like that is a way more productive way to do it.
100%.
But the event itself is a lot of fun. We spent a lot of time by the tequila bar actually, and not for what you think.
Partially for what you think.
Partially for what you think, but not as much, because that was kind of the main hub of everything, and that's where a lot of people just like came by and were rotating by, and I feel like that's where the real good relationships are built. That's where the good deals are done.
Absolutely.
And that's where we also get to meet more people to bring on this podcast also.
100%. And again, like with what we know what we're focusing on this year. So for us, it's more important about, like, as opposed to seeing the speakers and learning, about networking, connecting with new people out there. Like for me, I got connected with some new data sources. Obviously, email is a huge part of my business. Also, new ESP, which was really cool.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, came up with some ideas with some existing partners we work with. It also gives us the opportunity to meet a bunch of people or reconnect with people who've been on this podcast. That was really cool. Yeah,
because a lot of these times, like, we get passed on these people, like some of our buddies are like, dude, you got to have this guy on. He's 100% legit, real deal, great speaker. Josh, for example. Josh was great. Van Oaks, we saw him too. Yeah, that we saw a bunch of people, but yeah, it's really cool to make that face-to-face connection and just kind of solidify that friendship a little bit more.
That's right. So overall, this the event was good. Definitely gonna be coming back next year.
Oh yeah.
I think you're just coming back for the weather.
Oh, you know what? Every time I come to San Diego, I'm like, I could live here. And we're in like a really cool Airbnb home right now, and it's man, I kind of wish it was my second home away from home. And by that I mean my first home, and I'm never going back to cold Vancouver.
That's right. Canada, we're out.
Canada, we are out.
But
yeah, but overall it was really great. Also, we're filming some good content down here for you guys. We got a great video with Brian Higgins. I'm not sure if that's going to be released yet. We'll probably do this one first and then bring it out. And then our buddy Cam is actually staying with us, and he just got a new GT3 RS. So we are going to do a cars, or entrepreneurs and cars for you today, and that is going to be all the fun also.
That's right.
Yeah, so look out for that one. It's going to be a great one.
I look forward to myself.
Yeah, so anything else that you thought this event was like, that was really like, that stood out about this event?
Honestly, man, it was like networking and resources. That's what it was about for me, and I'm happy. I went home with everything I need.
Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah.
So, awesome. Well, if you guys liked it, or if, we encourage you to check out TNC.
Yeah.
It's great for e-commerce people looking to make digital products. And honestly, just to be a part of this world, to be a part of the online world, costs money to come out here. But just to get in the circle, it's actually funny. I had some friends come out from Vancouver, and they brought a guy who's just starting on e-commerce. Had no relations or anything, Steven.
Yeah.
We call him No Shirt.
Okay.
Because generally when we've met him before, he's wearing no shirt, just how he lives his life.
He seems like that guy.
Yeah, he does. But he was just saying how cool it was. He'd meet guys, like I introduced him to one guy whose company's worth 300 million. He's got a private jet. He does extremely well. And he's like, man, I couldn't believe this guy was like literally helping me with my business.
Oh yeah, and that's one thing that I think a lot of people don't understand is a lot of these high earners are willing to help as long as you're not wasting their time.
Absolutely. And using what they tell you. You know, the biggest thing that sucks is when someone asks you for help and then you help them and they do nothing, and they ask you for help again and then they still haven't done anything. Like, I'm not really looking to waste my time with that. But if you're interested,
there's a term for that. It's called an asshole.
Yeah, pretty much. So, but yeah, the whole point of this is to get out here and just get in the atmosphere. You're gonna get something from it. If you're engaged and you're taking part and you're, you know, even if you're new and learning, that's totally cool. These guys will help you out. They'll provide you information, tips. But the most important thing is just to get your ass out of here.
Yeah, even one of our friends the other day, she's like, oh, this guy's trying to learn Facebook, but he doesn't fully understand it. It used to be an email. And I'm like, this sounds too confusing for you to figure out, so you can just get him to call me because I really don't care. I'll just like walk him through it in like 10 minutes, you know?
Yeah,
bang
exactly.
It. Obviously, there's more to it than that, but like, yeah, we're all about helping people. And honestly, it feels great. It comes back tenfold.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so I'm 100% supportive of that. Now where are you off to? So just to let you know, Tyler's been on a little bit of a hot lap.
Yeah.
But like a business hot lap. So he's been hitting up a lot of events, lining up email deals, lining up, we're lining up some new lead gen deals and stuff.
Right.
So yeah, where are you going next?
So I leave, actually this one is more for fun, but I leave today for Park City, Utah. I have a bunch of friends coming in. We're gonna snowmobile, we're gonna snowboard for a few days.
Yeah.
And then on March 4th, I'm gonna be in LeadsCon.
Yeah.
And then on March 6th or 7th, haven't decided how long I'm staying in Vegas yet because that's where LeadsCon's at. I'm gonna be flying into Denver. We have a lot of relationships there, companies we've done, you know, 7 figures with.
It's amazing how much of a hub Denver is for.
Yes, Denver is growing.
Denver, San Diego, LA, and like Florida.
Tampa.
All of Florida.
Yeah. Tampa's good.
Yeah.
West Palm, Miami, obviously. Yeah. Orlando.
You know, that being said, Utah also.
Yeah.
Utah has tons of online.
There's so much tech talent out there too, so it makes sense.
Yeah.
But
the industry's just growing so much. I guess it's everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Crazy.
Well, thank you for watching the video, guys. If you guys end up going to any of the future events and I'm there, hit me up, let me know.
Yeah, we want to see you. I want to take some selfies with you.
Yeah, let's connect us up with on Instagram. Gabe monitors that shit, so he'll tell me about it. And then I encourage you, come to TNC next year. It's a great event. There's lots you'll take away regardless of what stage you're at.
Yeah, and maybe we'll have a party. Maybe we'll have a 7-fig party one of these years.
That's right.
Rent out a restaurant, show them your tequila drinking skills.
I'm really good at it.
I've heard and I've seen.
That's right.
I can vouch for this. No fake gurus here. This guy knows how to drink tequila.
True.
All right, guys, make sure to subscribe and we will see you on the next video.
Thanks, guys.
Peace.